Alright, people, a little update on what's going on recently. So, got a new boombox. Actually, got it for about a few months already. Um, this is the Panasonic RX-MDX1 personal MD system. It's a MD boombox, MD and CD, no cassette, no battery, not portable, and I don't know. I mean, it's just kind of like a MD personal music system thing. Like, think of it as a Bose Wave system, but with a mini disc compatibility. Um, this thing, I got it for $1. Yep, you heard it right, $1 from a random guy on Facebook. Really nice dude. He doesn't want it anymore, so he just straight up sent it to me. I had to pay for like $20 shipping though, but it's still worth it. And MDX1 is quite a rare machine. I tried looking on Japanese auction sites, no luck. So apparently, it's even rarer than the MDX5, which is it's kind of a big brother, or like it's kind of its successor. So with that being said, this is actually quite a rare machine, and I'm happy I'll be able to get it. But since it's a rare machine, that's also kind of troublesome because the MD mechanism is dead. It does not. It says mechanical error and like a disk error or something. I forgot what he says. I'm gonna show you later. And I took it apart, take a look at the MD little mechanism in there, and realized that the spindle motor does not spin, meaning that I'll have to probably replace the whole mechanism because it's practically impossible to find a replacement motor. Not only that, the whole mechanism is almost practically impossible to find in America as well. So the only way I could fix this is to import a MDX1, 3, or 5, either one of them. Import a machine that does not work except for the MD mechanism. Maybe the transformer is dead, the amp chip burnt out, or something or the logic chip went poof, something like that. It's really difficult to repair, and I can just pop that MD mechanism out and replace. Oh my god! Shit, I can't hold my camera. Anyways, I'll have to pop that thing out and replace the one in this with the one that works. That's the only way to fix it because, to be honest, I'm not experienced in fixing MD machines, and I don't know if MD mechanisms from other brands would work. I don't know who actually makes those. I'm guessing Sony or Technics or something like that. I don't know, but then again, I have no idea at all. My bet would be either Sony or Technics. So, still, because MD is basically not seen in America here, which is where I am at right now. So, it'd be really difficult to find a replacement for that. A little update on that. Now, what I did to this machine, not much basically, because nothing else needed repairing except for that MD mechanism, which I can't really do anything. The CD reads and plays just fine. All the buttons are working just fine. It doesn't jump around. The radio, it's a Japanese radio, so I can't really use the radio here, so I'll consider that as broken. But still, you could use kind of like a frequency shifter, or I don't know, however you call it, and just implant it into the machine, but that kind of destroys the purpose. I want to keep this as original as possible, so I'm not going to do that. Um, I also did a little cleaning, and I also blocked the port using some kind of tissue paper. Just stuff it up, and so that this is basically a sealed enclosure, and it sounds better that way. Otherwise, it's really distorted. I mean, I get how people say these old MD machines sounds really awesome, but no, that's not true at all. It sounds like crap without me doing that. After blocking the base ports, though, it sounded pretty okay, but without, it sounds like a distorted heap of crap. Way worse than that and that. Also, I'm going to do a video about that. I don't think I did it yet. Anyways, let's do a little function demonstration. I'm going to show you what it does. Here's it in its demo mode. It's just some telling you how to edit stuff, how to which I can't because I can't use the MD function, so it's kind of unfortunate. But yeah, it's got quite a bit of edit capabilities. You could do alphanumeric, kanas, whatnot. I think you could record using this as well because I had another MD player that could only play. I think it was the Kenwood. I don't think you record on that. Anyways, let me power this on and have a look. See? All right, there's no disc in the CD tray yet. I'm going to put a disc and show you that it actually works. All right, Goodwill CD. It's also $1. Same price as this whole thing. It's really noisy, by the way. But yeah, I mean, it reads. It's fine. Can't play it for too long. Also some virtualizer, EQ. And all sorts of stuff like that. All the CD function works just fine. I'm going to show you the MD. This is a Japanese MD. It says love that ass. The love is written there. That ass is what I wrote. I was going to, overwrite this MD with all shitty Blueface music. And I actually love Blueface, by the way. I know he raps offbeat, but I love that offbeat shit. It just sounds good. Anyways, I was going to overwrite the MD with all kind of, mumble rap stuff, which I really like. But unfortunately, this unit does not work. So I kind of can't do that. Let me get the dust off this MD real quick. Anyways, let's do it. It says disk error, meaning that the spindle does not spin up. I don't know what's wrong with it. The motor is kind of a brushless DC motor, so it's going to be really difficult to repair, but I don't know. I'm going to, shoot my shot once again when I have time. So, yeah. All right. Now, let's get to the radio. So, as you can see, it's Japanese radio. So, you can't really do much about it. You can use preset to tune it, though. I already forgot how to do it, but there. Some presets. There's no preset at 0. But yeah, these are all Japanese stations, and if you're in Japan, you'd be able to use it. But if not, then good luck. This is the only channel I could get. Because, and I think a gospel channel somewhere around here. Because that's like, what's up in the local frequency and whatnot. So, it's kind of unfortunate. Anyways, also the Cobra Top, I'm going to show you that. Opens and closes, really fancy as hell. Love it. So yeah, anyways, machine works okay, except for the MD mechanism. That's the only thing I'm going to be worrying about. But anything other than that, I guess, this is a really nice machine. It's a classic. It's really rare, too. So, glad I get to get it for $1. And, yeah, that's that.